Hi guys, this is Lakshit here from Mahavir Agencies Chennai. இன்னைக்கு ஒரு Toyota Taisor சூப்பரான interior and exterior upgrades பண்ணிருக்கோம். So வாங்க பார்க்கலாம் என்னென்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம். To improve the aesthetics of this car, first exterior upgrade பாத்தீங்கன்னா we have done proper roof wrapping in glossy black and A pillar and B pillar as well also we have covered. To focus on the minimalistic details of the exterior, we have also installed door visor which also comes with chrome finish. To ensure the trunk's visibility at night, we have installed Toyota genuine parts la வருது proper boot light as well. இப்போ interior upgrades பாத்தீங்கன்னா we have installed Toyota genuine parts la வருது top end steering with leather wrap finish and chrome finish as well, where we have also done cruise activation also. Next comfort upgrade pathina, we have installed OEM armrest as well, which is also a part of Toyota genuine parts too. Next comfort upgrade pathina, we have installed Swedish leather varde customized seat covers as well, which is completely customer based design, customer based color pattern and everything else, where we have done Windsor Quilt design and iron wine color in it. We have done proper snug fitment in this seat cover so that it gives you proper breathability. It gives you proper comfort during your long drives. You know, where there is no back pain, no sweating, no itching during your drives. And other than that, we provide 10 years of fitment warranty on these seat covers. Now, first electrification upgrade pathina, we have installed Yeumi brand le varde M4 system with add-on reverse camera as well, which provides you with 2 years, 3 months of warranty, which is totally 27 months of warranty. And also comes with licensed CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Next audio upgrade pathina, we have installed Morel brand le varde Kinetic 602 series, where it consists of components and coaxials as well. It provides you with crystal clear vocals because of the neodymium tweeters, and other than that, if you see, you have moderate bass as well. So the speaker's audio quality is fantastic. To enjoy this audio comfortably, we have soundproofed the car entirely with unplugged damping sheets, where it gives you NVH reduction, noise, vibration and harshness, which cuts down your vibration, harshness and rattling noise as well. To ensure that the customer gets the perfect audio quality without any vibrations, not even a single vibration, we have installed MOCO brand le varde foam ring as well, which cuts down the vibration which comes around your speaker and behind your speaker because of the heavy magnet. To ensure your car's first layer of protection, as in the entire body is protected, we have installed molding mat as well, which is completely dust resistant and can be cleaned easily by a vacuum or by dusting. For such more professional upgrade, sophisticated upgrade, get in touch with us.